Take a ride in the 2025 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, air suspension, luggage rack, privacy glass, rear wheel drive, tires front all season, tires rear all season. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.